Hello guys, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can make a scrollable constraint layout in your Android Studio. This is actually a before and after clip, so after you following this method you can able to scroll down like this in your constraint layout. And of course you can use any image view and other stuff on it. First off, this is actually a normal fragment and I gone to its XML. I'm just going to change this first line into scroll view. And inside of that scroll view, I'm going to make a constraint layout. And make sure to keep the scroll views layout width and height. It should be a match parent. And for the constraint layout, there should be a small change. First, we need to properly put this constraint layout first, and we will make the necessary changes later. And here we have to change the layout height to 0 dp. Now let's run it and check the results. And I have a big paragraph line code on the Java, so you will be able to see that in big paragraph in the preview. So let me add a small image view as well, so you guys can see how it will look like with the image view and the text view. But you can add anything you want. It's your imagination, just add anything you want and it will constrain it like this, and it will be scrollable as well. Enabling adjust view bonds, that will actually remove the extra space around the image, so it will be closer to my text. Now let's check the results, and it will also work on the landscape as well. So I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.